Paper and pencil quizzes have been around longer than we have been. Collecting data to assess student learning will continue to be a cornerstone long after we've retired. But the way we can use technology to work in our favor to save time so that we can provide more meaningful instruction should be the standard for every teacher. So, why not leverage Google Forms? We've all used Google Forms to collect information, survey data, things like that. But have you used Google Forms to create an assessment? So when I bring up a Google form, the first thing I'm going to want to do is to come over here to my settings. I always make sure that I collect the emails. I can also restrict it to our county. At the end presentation, I might want to do message to the kids. I will also go to the button that says quizzes, and I can actually make this a self-grading quiz. In this instance, though, I'm going to teach you first how to make a survey that allows the kids to learn when they make a mistake. So the first thing I'm going to do is I need to create some sections. So I will create a section for each question and each reteaching section. So the first thing I'm going to do is say question 1. And then I'll come to question 1, revisit. I'll do my question 2, another section. And then I might want to have like an ending question or ending slide. I do realize that I did forget here at the top to add a section for the student name demographics. So I'll start here with demographics. I'm going to add a question. I might do first name, last name, and then I might want to have what block do I have this class. I can make this a multiple choice. Maybe those are the blocks that I have this class. So for question 1, I'm going to come here and I'm going to click on the section, and then I'm going to add a question. So since this is a summer PD and it's fun, we're going to do a quick question about the movie Princess Bride. So I'm going to come to question 1, and I'm going to add a question. My question for the movie The Princess Bride. In The Princess Bride, what powder was used in the IQ test? So I'm going to come through and I'm going to pick the one that is correct. But before I do that, I'm going to come to these 3 little dots, and I can shuffle the order option. That way, if a child is sitting next to another child, they aren't getting the answers in the same order as the others. And then I would go to section based on answer. So what I can do is I know that powdered sugar was not the correct answer. So I'm going to make them revisit that answer. This is the correct answer, so I want it to go to question 2. And if you see, it may say section 5, but I've labeled it ahead of time. I want to go from question 1 to question 2. So I make sure I select that one. This one again needs to be retaught, and this one again needs to be retaught. So what I do for question 1, I'm going to come down to question 1, revisit. I'm going to add a question, or because you would only put one question per section in this instance. But I could say, you know what, I would really like to add an image, or I might like to add a YouTube video to reteach the concept. So first I'm going to do a YouTube video. So I'm going to put my clip in here. And I can give instructions. And then I might say again, so with this one, again, they should be able to watch the film clip and then answer the answer correctly. And I'm going to do the same thing again. I will go to the section based on the answer. So if they got it correct, iocane powder, now they can go to question 2. The nice thing about it is I can actually wrap them back around if I need them to revisit and rewatch this, and they will have to answer the question again. So let's say I wanted to do a math question. Maybe I'm talking about, I want to do a quick math drop-in and just do a quick assessment of their long division skills. So in question 2, I will come in and do add a question. And I would go through the same process of putting the answers, selecting the 3 dots, going to the correct section. Here in my section 2 revisit, I can come in here again. I can add a YouTube video. So with this one, I might say, oh, here's steps on how to do a long division problem. And I can put that in here to help the kids if they don't know how to do a long division. Again, add the question and finish it out. So in following this process, I can add multiple questions and give the students time to go back and review or relearn concepts and have a little bit of a practice for them so that they can be successful.